Oh, man. It's only 12 days to Christmas, and I ain't started shopping yet. Asher, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do about it, huh? I know. I'm going to Wild Birds Unlimited. I know they have something for everybody on my list. And you know what? That makes me want to sing. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
12 books for reading, 11 caramel candies,
10 wind chimes dangling,
9 hooks for hanging, 8 candles burning,
7 hopper feeders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 hopper feeders.
6 birds a singing, 5 bags of seed, 4 coffee cups,
3 bench blends.
2 bird baths,
And a cardinal in a face.